100% nylon. Extra large size stores 25% more than other bookracks. 6 deep fabric storage pockets stow reading books, board books, coloring books and magazines of all shapes and sizes. Sturdy engineered wood construction is easy to assemble and clean. Includes all hardware. Ideal for children aged 3 and up. Space-saving design. Assembled dimensions: 25W×12D×30H. Neutral, compact design fits into any room or environment. Perfect for book storage in your toddler's bedroom, playroom, nursery, or the living room. Top reviews from the United States. Love. Very well made and easy setup. Holds a lot of books. These are mostly mini baby board books.